Welcome. We are here to talk about aging and how you can reverse it every day, forever. LifeVantage is the leader in cell activation. We are a publicly traded company on the NASDAQ, which means institutions are invested with us in our future. But it also provides transparency. All of this information is audited and validated. With almost $250 million in sales annually, we have attracted top leaders to our board, including Erin Brockovich, who is an advocate not only for the environment outside, but inside our bodies as well. So let's talk about aging. Dr. David Sinclair, Harvard Medical School on Aging, states that aging isn't a risk factor. Aging is the risk factor. Aging is the disease process. It is the damage that leads to the problems that show up later. Dr. Aubrey de Grey, a leading geneticist from Cambridge, explains why we age, saying that aging isn't a mystery. It's simply damage in the body, which is damage to your cells. And the single biggest problem that drives the greatest amount of damage is the air you breathe. Oxygen equals oxidative stress. Oxygen rusts a nail, and it is what causes an apple to turn brown. Oxidative stress is damage to your cells, and why, when the first human study was released that proved we could slow down the damage of oxidative stress in everyone at every age, ABC, PBS, NBC, the Wall Street Journal, and Dr. Sanjay Gupta reported on this breakthrough in science. They educated the world on the first human study that proved we could reverse oxidative stress in everyone at every age. So let's take a moment and watch a bit of the ABC News report.
Following is an ABC primetime investigative report that aired in 2005. You want to get an edge on turning back the clock with just a few pills? Who doesn't? Well, it's no longer science fiction, but science possibility, a potential breakthrough. As I found out firsthand, there may be a way to erase years, at least inside my body. Granted, it's down the road, but some scientists are wondering if a new pill I took might offer a very long life. It may not look like the fountain of youth, but inside this nondescript building, I'm about to become part of an exciting experiment, a kind of guinea pig. Okay. I'm here at the University of Colorado in Denver. This is a pretty exciting stuff you're finding, huh? It is. We're very excited about it. His latest research could very well unravel the mystery of aging itself. And his decades of experiments may have the potential of adding years to people's lives and possibly prevent chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. It all centers around this small yellow pill, and for me, it begins with a blood test. Oxidative stress, like the rusting of an engine, is not a good thing. Bad for the body, leading to disease, and leading to malfunction, and importantly, leading to what we call aging. It is a slow progression of increasing oxidative stress. That's the main characteristic biochemically of the aging process. It's called Protandim, and tests on both mice and humans have already shown that it revs up the manufacture of those good enzymes in our bodies. More enzymes, fewer free radicals to harm us. Right now, all we know is that this preparation decreases oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is not a disease, just like aging is not in itself a disease, but it's something that accompanies and is attached to many disease processes. Have you discovered the fountain of youth? I wouldn't put it that way, but we may have discovered something that will tell us a lot more about how we age, what happens biochemically, and maybe how we can slow it down. Normally, oxidative stress, measured by those T-bars, increases with age. Taking just one pill of Protandim a day reversed that trend for everyone at every age, even for an 80-year-old. But what about my progress? After nearly 2 weeks now, it's time to get my results. The result? My level of oxidative stress has declined dramatically. 45%. That's excellent. Just look at where I fall on the graph, before and after. Which, if extrapolated back, is the level you would see in a newborn baby. Have we turned back the clock? Well, maybe not on the outside, but deep inside within my cells. Yes, indeed. High oxidative stress is associated with more than aging. It's been linked to hundreds of illnesses. It's at the very center of many diseases: liver disease, diabetes, emphysema, asthma. I've studied all of these: strokes, heart attacks, even mental disease. Yes, depression, Alzheimer's disease, depression. But we do know that oxidative stress is part of those disease processes. I don't want to wait until I'm 80 years old and find out that I should have taken it.
So why was this a breakthrough in science? It's because it's the shift from supplementation, right? Why do we take a supplement? Because our body stops making these antioxidant enzymes. But supplementation is the one and done. It goes through your bloodstream, and versus activation, which is activating your body to get back to work, making those antioxidant enzymes like glutathione, SOD, and catalase that gobble up 1 million of those free radicals a second before they can damage your cells, and then go gobble up another million and another million and another million. So what did we learn? Aging begins in our teens as our cells stop making these antioxidant enzymes that protect us from that damage. And we start traveling up that red line of oxidative stress, aging, and damage. So what does Protandim do? It activates a switch in every cell called NRF2, which turns the lights back on and gets your cells making antioxidant enzymes like glutathione again, which is why in 30 days, a 20-year-old's oxidative stress was reduced by 20%. The cell made a few of those antioxidant enzymes to bring that damage down to the blue line. But the same pill in an 80-year-old reduced oxidative stress by 70% in 30 days, down to the level you would see in a young child. And this is why we're here, to help you know that you can reverse aging, get off of that red line and down to the blue line every day, forever. So Protandim is extracts from 5 plants, low non-toxic doses that have been synergistically proven to be 18 times more potent in this one little pill, which is why there are 7 patents on this product protecting it and proving that it does something that none of these plants can do on their own. To learn more, you can go to PubMed.gov or Google Scholar. You can type in oxidative stress, and it doesn't matter whether it's damage to your heart, your brain, your gut, your skin, your lungs, your blood vessels, your eyes. Every study proves why it is so important for you to slow it down. But you can also type in Protandim, and you will see research by major universities like Harvard, Ohio State, the American Heart Association, the National Institutes on Aging, who conducted their own research on this product, each proving again and again that Protandim not only reduces oxidative stress, but it activates our cells to make other survival genes that protect us from other causes of damage and aging, proving again and again why this is the most important thing you can do every day to protect your health. This is why Washington State University, in their research on NRF2, said that activating NRF2 may well become the most extraordinary therapeutic and preventative breakthrough in the history of health. So our most recent breakthrough in science is activating collagen, because as we age, what happens? Our cells stop making collagen, which is vital to your health. The Guardian teaches us that of the 20,000 different proteins in the human body, there is one that dominates more than any other. Without it, our cells would simply collapse in on themselves. Our skeleton and blood vessels would disintegrate, and we would be little more than blobs of shapeless tissue. This vital component is collagen. It is the glue that holds us together. It is also why the collagen market is $9 billion globally today and projected to be $18 billion by 2030. So collagen is integral to your muscles, nerves, spine, all of your connective tissue, your bones, the lining of your gut, and your immune system. They're all collagen. And this is why the benefits of this collagen go beyond your skin and nails and hair. It's about muscle and tissue recovery, stronger bones, cushioning joints, gut health, improved liver function, healthy cardio, brain, and cognitive support, eye health, better sleep, and so much more. Now, how can all of that happen? Because we do 3 things. We activate the genes that get your body making collagen again. No other product does that. Yep, we're going to replenish like every product does, but we're also going to activate genes that maintain your collagen production so you can keep what you have. So let's begin with the star of the show in our collagen. It's this ruby red quinoa extract. It activates the genes that increase your collagen production by 5 times. It also activates type 1 collagen production by 42%, which gets your body making 100% more of type 1 collagen. It increases anti-aging genes, SOD and catalase, to protect you from other damage, while also decreasing the gene that degrades your current collagen by up to 33%. These are the results in an 8-week study that demonstrated collagen density, shown by all of the yellow, increased to 68%. Here's how we replenish, like every other collagen on the market. First of all, we're going to start with more. We're going to start with 5,000 milligrams of marine peptides that come from the skin of the fish. Why? Because it contains 10 types of collagen, not just type 1 and 2 for your skin that most products do. And third is a citrus berry blend that slows down the breakdown of your existing collagen, which assists you in maintaining the collagen you're making. So what's not in it? None of the bad stuff, because we're a wellness company and we're going to make sure that we protect your health. But why liquid? Well, if we just compare this product to replenishing collagen, that's what we're doing. Most collagens on the market are powder. The problem with powder is it's larger pieces, harder for your body to digest. If it can't digest, it can't absorb. And that's why they're 10 to 30% absorption, or you're getting 10 to 30% of the benefit you're paying for. Versus liquid, smaller pieces, easier to digest, but more importantly, these are live fish peptides. They're sealed in a bottle, providing 90% absorption or 3 to 4 times the collagen benefit. And this is just assuming we're just talking about replenishing. Remember, no other product gets your body making collagen. And that is why a picture is worth 1,000 words. These are pictures from people in the company who participated in that first try of collagen, which I was part of too. And you can see it doesn't matter the age, it doesn't matter, all of these are looking at the results on the outside, our skin. It doesn't matter the demographic. This is a picture of someone who, it's on the right, it's the beginning was first 90 days, and the last picture is a year later. And she's a huge testimony to what's happening. And what we say, if this is what we're seeing on the outside, imagine what's happening on the inside. So I want you to know about a new study that I'm so ridiculously excited about. It was just released, which gives us an opportunity to get a patent on these 2 products because it shows the power of them working together. And what happens is our fibroblast cells, which make collagen, get into a stress cycle and they can't get out. They continue to signal this stress cycle and they can't get out. Do you ever get in a stress cycle? You can't get out of it? Well, what these 2 together do is reduce the signaling to get that cell out, these cells out of a stress cycle and restore them to their optimal function, which is also why we're seeing the incredible results on the inside as well as the outside. So welcome to LifeVantage. We are a leader in cell activation, and every single product we create is based on how our body works, how our cells function, what are the switches or the signals that we can activate to get our body back to work at its peak performance. So thank you for being here and thank you for learning.